BuildCores is a powerful online tool that lets you design and visualize your custom PC builds in 3D. With BuildCores, you can select components, choose from a wide range of PC components, including CPU, GPU, case, fans, and power supply. The site automatically checks compatibility between parts, ensuring a smooth building process. Visualize in 3D. Preview your build in stunning 3D, allowing you to see how everything fits together, including cable clearance, airflow direction, and lighting layout. Save or share. Save your build for later or share it with friends or on forums to get feedback or finalize your build before making a purchase. BuildCores is perfect for both first-time builders and seasoned enthusiasts, helping you avoid compatibility issues and making the PC building process smoother and more cost-effective. Give it a try and bring your PC vision to life.